The not registered on network error means your phone can't connect to T-Mobile's cellular network for calls, texts, or data. This is often due to issues with your SIM card, APN settings, VoLTE, or carrier settings. As of October 2025, fixes are generally self-service via device settings or T-Mobile's diagnostic tools. Start by restarting your device. If that doesn't work, investigate the SIM card. Ensure it's properly inserted and T-Mobile branded. You can verify it by dialing 06 to see the ICC ID. APN settings route your data. The default APN should be fast.tmobile.com, with the MMSC set to mms.tmobile.com/waypnc. You can reset these in your phone's network settings. VoLTE allows calls over 4G LTE. Ensure it's enabled in your settings. Carrier settings should be kept updated, either automatically or manually through T-Mobile's app or website. If basic checks like restarting your device don't resolve the not registered on network error, you can manually update your carrier settings. Access the T-Mobile app or go to your phone's settings to manually update carrier settings. This ensures your device has the latest network configurations. The current carrier profile version is 77 for iOS devices, and it varies for Android models. T-Mobile is integrating VoLTE and Voice over Wi-Fi for seamless indoor connectivity. Enable these features in your settings to improve call quality. In the future, AI-driven diagnostics within the T-Mobile app will automate many troubleshooting fixes, making it easier to resolve network issues. If the problem continues, contact T-Mobile support or visit a store. Network-side issues like tower maintenance could be the cause. Avoid SIM swapping, as it can lead to scams. Stick to official troubleshooting methods. Remember, many connectivity problems are user-fixable by simply rebooting your device and verifying your settings. These steps address the majority of not registered on network errors.